Our students, welcome to our physics class. In this class, I am going to explain about simple missions and their efficiency. Efficiency of the simple mission is gives the quality of mission. Here, to find efficiency, we compare the output work with the input work. What is output work? Work output and work input. Here, see, work done by the mission is called work output. Then to complete the task, work done on the mission by us is called work input, and perform the work and gives work output is called work output by the mission. Is work output is done by the mission. Work input is done on the mission. When we compare output work and input work, we get efficiency of the mission. We also can find out percentage of efficiency of the mission. Efficiency work output by work input. When you multiply with 100, we get a percentage of efficiency. Here, work output by work input into 100 means efficiency into 100, we will get percentage of efficiency. In case ideal mission, work output and work input are equal. That means work will not be wasted. The mission is perfect and ideal. So then input work will not be wasted. So whatever we give input work on the mission, same amount of work output given by the mission. So work output and work input are equal. So then when we cancel them, we get 1. Same things, equal things cancel 1. 1 into 100, 100%. So that is ideal mission. Work output is equal to work input. Here what is the meaning of this? No wastage of energy or no wastage of work. Same amount of work output will get given by mission. Whatever we give on the mission, same work given by the mission. So work output and work input are equal in case of ideal mission. So then percentage of efficiency is 100%. Actually all missions are not 100% efficient. Efficiency is not 100% for all missions, because there will be some wastage of energy or wastage of work in the missions. When we do work on the mission, the same amount of output will not come out from the mission in actual missions, because of the friction between two parts of the mission, and some energy is wasted in the form of heat and other forms, and because of friction or old condition, the efficiency may be always less than 100%. Means what? Work output is less than work input, then you will get a proper fraction into 100, always less than 100%. They are called actual missions. Here input work is not completely come out by output work by the mission. Input work is done on the mission. Output work is given by the mission, will not equal. So output work is not equal to input work. So it is less than the input work. Here what happened? Some energy is wasted. What we do, the same amount of work is not given by the mission because of wastage of energy in the mission, because of tools are not proper or friction between the parts. Some energy is wasted. Generally, all actual missions less than 100%, means input work is more than output work. So we will get to proper fraction. Proper fraction always less than 100. So percentage also less than 100%. Proper fraction always less than 1. When you multiply with 100, so the proper fraction is multiply with 100, you will get efficiency less than 100 percentage. That is called actual mission. In this actual mission, input work is wasted and only some amount of output work is given by the mission because of mission condition is not good or wastage of energy in the mission parts. Idle mission, no wastage of energy. Whatever we give input work, same amount of work output work will come out. So here both are equal. So then you will get 100% efficiency. This is about simple missions. Here in some cases output work is greater than input work. Here it is not possible in simple mission. It is possible in other missions. Here the missions work with motors or some other equipments. They are called complex missions. The complex missions may be output work is greater than input work. The machines will work with the machines, motors and some other electric equipments. Here output work may be greater than input work. They are called complex machines. So when output work is greater than input work, then that is proper fraction you will get. Proper fraction multiply with 100 percentage also greater than 100 percentage. They are complex, that is possible only in the complex machines. They are called force multiplier. Those machines are called amplifiers of force or force multipliers. But in case of simple machines, it's not possible. Only always less than 100 percentage. Some energy wasted in the form of heat and because of friction in the parts between the parts of the machines. That is the actual mission. This is only possible in the simple machines. If the condition of the machine is simple machine is very efficient or very good, then that is called idle mission. That means only input work and output work are equal. So then you will get 100% efficiency. This is what information about efficiency of the simple machines. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.